Welcome back. Open Android Studio, create a new project called Sports Application, and let's design our layouts. Go to activity_main.xml file, remove this text view, and let us create an image view that will act as a header for our application. I'll give it 0dp width and 230dp for height, ID, image view, src. I need to specify an image from the drawable folders. Here, I'll copy these images, and by the way, you can get them from the resources folder under this section and copy them into the drawable folder. Here we go. These are the 6 images that we need to display in our application. And this is the header. I'll specify at drawable header. You can see this image is appearing here in the header. Let's add the constraints end to end, parent. I'm constraining it to the parent, start to start of parent, and top to top of parent. This is our image view. Now let's create the recycler view that will display the card views. So here, specify the recycler view, the width 0dp matching the constraints, the height 0dp matching the constraint. Give it an ID recycler view, specify the constraints button to button of parent, and constraint top to bottom of image view. And here we go. This is our recycler view that it is constrained to the parent from left and right and bottom, and from the top is constrained under the image view. Now let's move to create the template or the layout for every item in the recycler view. Go to the layouts folder, create a new layout resource file, and I name it as card item layout. Click OK, go split mode, and I want from you to focus with me now. I'll change this constraint layout and type card view, androidx.cardview.widget.cardView. In Android development, CardView is a UI widget that is part of the Android X library. It's designed to provide a flexible and easily customizable container for displaying information in a card-like format. CardView is often used to create a consistent and visually appealing layout for displaying content such as a text view, images, and buttons. In this application, I'll use the height 200dp, and you can see it's displaying here the width as match parent and the height is 220dp. Now you can specify attributes like corner radius, background color, elevation, and much more. Let's start with the card corner radius equals to 40dp and the elevation equals to 20dp. The card view is defined with the specific attributes like card corner radius and card elevation to control the appearance of the card. So CardView supports elevation, allowing you to cast shadows on the underlying views, creating a sense of depth and making it visually stand out. By default, CardView has rounded corners, giving it a card-like appearance. You can customize the corner radius as needed. So if you look closer, you can see the rounded corner and the shadows under the cards. So this is our card view. You can specify more attributes for the cards. For example, card background color, and I'll give it black attribute. Also, you can specify more attributes for this card view. For example, the margin. Specify margin 8dp, and you can see that margin equals to 8dp is applied to all sides of this card view. Now, inside the card view, you can specify elements and other views. I'll start creating a constraint layout, match parent, and inside this constraint layout, I'll create 2 views. The first one is of type image view, and the second is of type text view. And here I'm creating an image view that fills the whole card view. I'm constraining it to the parent from all sides. I'll create a text view. And here we go. This is our layout. This is an image view filling the whole card view. And this is a text view just for displaying the title of the sport. So the card view is designed to provide a flexible and easily customizable container for displaying information in a card-like format. And CardView is often used to create a consistent and visually appealing layout for displaying content such as a text, images, and buttons.